guys, so yung first step po natin, i-marinate lang po natin yung pork sa soy sauce and lemon. Then imimix lang po natin yan. Marinate po natin to for about an hour or more para ma-absorb ng pork yung marinade natin. Okay guys, yung next na gagawin natin, magpainit lang tayo ng mantika. So once painit na po yung mantika natin, isasutay na po natin yung garlic. And yung onions natin. Then hayaan lang natin na lumambot yung onions as well as magiging golden brown yung garlic natin. So once malambot na yung onions and nagko-color golden brown na yung garlic, ilagay na po natin yung marinate natin pork. So hayaan lang natin na maluto ito for about 5 to 10 minutes, depende kung malambot na yung pork. Okay, so after few minutes, ready na po yan. Lagyan na po natin ng bay leaves or dahon ng laurel. And then, yung ating tomato sauce.
Vaccine or no vaccine, we're back. A nationwide experiment.
So, haluin lang po natin yan.
Go away at some point, it'll go away.
And then, add po natin yung cup of water. Okay, so once malambot na yung pork natin, pwede na po natin ilagay yung liver or yung atay ng baboy. And ating hotdog. Yung hotdog natin, pwede kayo yung red hotdog or any normal na hotdog. Ito lang yung available na hotdog na meron ako, so pwede na yan. If naubusan na kayo ng sabaw, magdagdag lang kayo ng konting water. Okay, so hayaan lang natin na maluto yung liver natin for a few minutes. And then you can add the nor pork cubes. Okay, so after a few minutes, pwede na natin ilagay yung ating carrots and potato natin. So, dapat lang haluin natin yan. Para maluto yung potato and carrots. Then, pwede na rin natin isabay yung ating bell pepper. And then, hayaan lang po natin na maluto yung carrots, bell pepper, and potato. So, okay. By this time, guys, pwede na po nating timplahan yung pork menudo natin ng sugar, at konting asin, and of course ating black pepper, konti lang din. And then haluin lang po natin ulit. Titikman lang natin kung tama na yung lasa. Ayan na. Lasang menudo na, guys. Ang sarap na. So mga 2 to 3 minutes pa. And then after that, ready na yan. Okay? Para lang totally luto yung potato and carrots natin. Okay? Okay, guys. So luto na po ito. Yan na po ang ating pork menudo. Okay, so right now, maglilipat lang tayo ng kaunti dito sa ating mahiwagang plato para sa thumbnail. Okay guys, so that's all for now and I hope you enjoy this recipe and kaya nyo rin itong magaya sa bahay nyo kasi madali lang naman. And then, I hope you subscribe already to my channel. Please if you haven't, please subscribe now and click that notification bell so that you'll be updated sa mga next upload na recipe and travel videos natin. So, okay, bye for now. See you in our next video. Bye!